At the end of the video, there is a free gift for you. It's a quality business plan template that will guide you through the whole process of starting a business and ensures you start on the right foot. Starting a marketing agency can be an exciting venture, but it requires careful planning and execution to succeed. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you get started. 1. Market research. Identify your target market. Determine which industries or businesses you want to serve. Analyze competition. Understand who your competitors are, what services they offer, and how you can differentiate yourself. 2. Choose a niche. Consider specializing in a specific area of marketing such as social media marketing, content marketing, SEO, PPC, etc. Focusing on a niche can help you stand out and attract clients looking for specialized expertise. 3. Create a business plan. Outline your business objectives, target market, services offered, pricing strategy, marketing plan, and financial projections. Include details about how you will acquire clients, manage operations, and grow the business over time. 4. Legal structure and registration. Choose a legal structure for your business, e.g., sole proprietorship, partnership, LLC, based on your preferences and circumstances. Register your business with the appropriate authorities and obtain any necessary licenses or permits. 5. Build your team. Determine the roles and skills you need in your team, such as marketers, designers, copywriters, and project managers. Hire skilled professionals who are passionate about marketing and aligned with your business values. 6. Develop your brand. Create a compelling brand identity that reflects your agency's values, personality, and expertise. Design a professional logo, website, and marketing materials that showcase your brand effectively. 7. Set up operations. Establish systems and processes for client onboarding, project management, invoicing, and communication. Invest in tools and software to streamline operations and improve productivity.
8. Acquire clients.
Develop a marketing strategy to attract clients, such as networking, content marketing, social media marketing, and attending industry events. Leverage your professional network and ask for referrals from satisfied clients. 9. Deliver exceptional service. Focus on delivering high-quality results and excellent customer service to build long-term relationships with clients. Regularly communicate with clients, provide updates on projects, and address any concerns promptly. 10. Measure and improve. Track key performance metrics to evaluate the success of your marketing campaigns and client projects. Continuously learn and adapt to industry trends and client needs to stay competitive and deliver outstanding results. Starting a marketing agency requires dedication, hard work, and a commitment to delivering value to your clients. Stay focused on your goals, continuously learn and improve, and be adaptable to changes in the market to build a successful business. Thank you for watching. As we conclude the video, go to the description below this video to get your free business plan template gift. It will guide you through the whole process of starting a business and ensures you start on the right foot.